Taste Test Tour is a great event where people can come and chat to us and find out what the Smeg appliances really do.
The food and drink taster was delicious.
I found it really valuable to talk to the experts.
It's an open house for people to tour the showroom, test the appliances and taste the results.
It was great to see all the appliances in one place. The showroom is absolutely amazing. I was really impressed.
This is a chance for customers to come and chat with us to help them get the advice that they need.